Welcome to 6 Points of Everything. In today's video, we're exploring 6 countries with the world's strongest economies. These nations have risen to economic powerhouses through a mix of innovation, resources, and smart policies. Let's break it down. Number 1. United States. First on our list is the United States, the world's largest economy. Valued at around $26 trillion in GDP, it's a leader in technology, finance, and entertainment. The US is home to some of the largest tech companies globally, such as Apple, Amazon, and Google, driving innovation and technological advancement. The strength of the US economy also comes from its free market capitalism, which encourages competition and entrepreneurship. Additionally, the US dollar remains the world's dominant reserve currency, further solidifying its economic influence worldwide. Number 2. China. Next, we have China, the second largest economy in the world. With a GDP of approximately $18 trillion, China has experienced rapid growth over the past few decades. Once a primarily agrarian society, China transformed into a manufacturing and export giant, producing a vast array of goods, from electronics to machinery. China's Belt and Road Initiative and significant investment in infrastructure have expanded its global influence. In recent years, it's also made strides in technology, especially in areas like artificial intelligence and telecommunications. Number 3. Japan. Japan ranks third among the world's largest economies, with a GDP of around $5 trillion. Known for its automotive and electronics industries, Japan is home to global giants like Toyota, Sony, and Panasonic. Despite its limited natural resources, Japan has built a resilient economy by focusing on innovation and quality. Robotics, precision engineering, and manufacturing excellence are some of Japan's key economic drivers. Additionally, Japan's culture of hard work and discipline contributes significantly to its economic success. Number 4. Germany. Moving on to Europe, Germany is the largest economy on the continent, with a GDP of around $4.5 trillion. Known for its engineering prowess, Germany excels in manufacturing high-quality automobiles, machinery, and industrial equipment. Companies like BMW, Mercedes-Benz, and Siemens symbolize German innovation and quality. Germany's strong economy is supported by a robust education system that emphasizes vocational training, creating a skilled workforce. Its dedication to renewable energy also sets an example in sustainability. Number 5. United Kingdom. The United Kingdom, with a GDP of about $3.2 trillion, has a diverse economy centered around finance, education, and services. London is one of the world's leading financial hubs, housing major banks, financial institutions, and stock exchanges. Apart from finance, the UK is known for its world-class educational institutions, such as Oxford and Cambridge, which contribute to research and innovation. While Brexit has presented challenges, the UK remains influential in global trade and diplomacy. Number 6. India. Last on our list is India, an emerging economic giant with a GDP of over $3.7 trillion. India's economy has been expanding rapidly, making it one of the fastest-growing major economies. The nation has a strong service sector, particularly in IT and software services, making it the world's top outsourcing destination. India's young population is another asset, offering a large workforce that supports economic growth. Although challenges like infrastructure and poverty remain, India's ambitious growth strategies and expanding middle class indicate a promising future for its economy. These 6 countries represent some of the world's strongest economies, each with unique strengths and challenges. From technological innovation to manufacturing expertise, these nations have built robust economies that influence global markets and set examples for others. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our future videos.